guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start, and today's video is part of the Thrifted Thursdays series. I will be making 3 Rustic Americana DIYs to share with you today from items I found at garage sales and thrift stores. So let's get started. So for this project, we're going to start with this cheese grater that I picked up at Salvation Army for $1, and then we're using one of these Dollar Tree flags that come in the 3-pack, and then I'm so excited to share with you guys today. I'm using a free printable that came from Heidi Samble's website. I will link her website down in my description box along with her YouTube channel so you can go and check that out, and don't forget to pick up the free printable. So I just cut out 3 of the ones that I wanted to use for this project, and I'm gluing them on to some scrapbook tags that I got at Hobby Lobby just to give it more stability. And then I'm going to take my antique Waverly wax and I'm going to go over all 3 of the tags with my wax. So I'm creating an aged look with this wax, and if you've ever created Americana style or you just like decorating with it, you know that there is a lot of brown in there or cream in the decor. So you don't want anything that's stark white if that's the way that you're trying to decorate. I used to have a whole house decorated in Americana style, and so I definitely have a love for that kind of brownish red look. So now we're going to take this flag from the Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is paint on my antique Waverly wax. It is a very thin flag, so the wax does like seep through. So if you do recreate this, make sure you have something underneath it just to protect the surface that you're painting on. I am going to paint this whole thing and the flag stem, and then I'm going to set that aside to dry. Once I have that all done, then I go ahead and place the tags onto my cheese grater, and then I took these florals from a garage sale. I paid $1 for 2 bundles of them, and they were pretty flowers. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and arrange those into the cheese grater and then stick my flag in, and then this project is complete.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
So like I mentioned before, this is part of my Thrifted Thursdays series, and today my co-host is Connie's Nails and Creative Creations. So make sure you go check out her channel. I will link that in the description box below. Connie does a lot of woodworking and farmhouse decor, and she just has a lot of really fun DIY. So make sure you check out her channel down in the description box when you are done with today's video. So for this project, I'm using a wreath that I picked up at Goodwill for 99 cents, and I'm just going to take all the things off of it. I just want to use the Grapevine wreath section. So then I took one of these Dollar Tree giant flags that they have. These are the ones that can either go on your car or the side of your house. And I did that same technique where I painted it with the antique Waverly wax. I am telling you guys, this is amazing. I went back and picked up 3 more flags. I have so many ideas for these, and if you are an Americana decorator, this is a must-have DIY. And it's so simple and easy, and you can do so many things with these flags, guys. This is one of the best DIYs I think I've ever made. I love it, and I just been so excited to decorate it with it. So all I'm doing here is scrunching the flag together, gluing it on the end, and then I flip the other side of the flag over. I'm going to go ahead and glue that onto the grapevine wreath, and then I do that just to assemble all of the pieces down on top of each other. Once I have that side glued on, then the part that's hanging off over to the other side, I flip that over and I put some more glue onto the grapevine wreath and glue it there. And then I'm going to go ahead and tuck the tail part of the flag into itself. Originally I was going to cut it, and then I just decided, nah, I'm going to tuck it in. I don't know why I'm not going to disassemble this, but anyway, if you wanted to cut it off, you could. I just decided to go ahead and tuck it in. So once I have that part assembled, I take some raffia that also came from the Dollar Tree, and I go ahead and cut part of it off. And then I'm going to use some more tags that I got from the HIGH END free printable. Don't miss out on that free printable. Make sure you head over to her website and get it. But I'm going to go ahead, I did that same process, I aged it. I'm going to glue those into the middle, and then I decide that my raffia is a little bit too new looking, so I go ahead and take some antique Waverly wax, paint that on to my raffia, and then this project is complete.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from
If you guys are new to my channel or visiting me over from Connie's channel, welcome. I'm Catherine from A Perfect Place to Start. I love to do seasonal decor, Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift to treasure. So if that is something you're into, I would love it if you went down, hit the subscribe button, and became a part of my YouTube family. So for this project, I was lucky enough to pick up these 3 cones that came from a local thrift store in my area, and I'm going to take that antique Waverly wax again, and I'm going to cover all the cones with the wax. I'm even going to go over the pictures because I want everything to have the same even uniformed look. If you're into decorating with Americana, or maybe you're new to it, this antique Waverly wax is going to be your best friend when you're trying to create those looks. It gives you that nice brown look and the stained look that you're going for, and it dries really fast, and it just is one of my most favorite things to use. So I'm taking these stars from Hobby Lobby. They were in the unfinished wood area. I'm just going to paint them red, white, and blue, and then I will link those paints down in the description box. And then you're going to use that antique Waverly wax again, and you're just going to go over what you just painted with the wax and use your paper towel and wipe it off. I did not paint down all the way in the stick because you can't see the bottom, and so I just decided to save myself some time, but you're totally welcome to paint the whole thing if you want to. Then I'm going to put one of the stars in each one of the cones, along with some Spanish moss, and I will link some Spanish moss down in the description box from Amazon if you want to go pick it up. And then once I have those all in the cones, I'm going to just tie them together with some twine. They have some metal hooks behind them. I just tie the hooks together, attach some red raffia from the Dollar Tree, and then this project is complete.
It's like 90 degrees, it's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number up.
I'm so happy you guys joined me today. These are seriously some of my most favorite things I have ever made. That flag is amazing. I have to make some more, decorate with it somewhere. I don't know, but I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Let me know if you're going to recreate any of today's projects, and don't forget to go down and travel over to Connie's channel and check out her video today and see what she created for Thrifted Thursdays. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.
We gotta